Work from home with me. It is my last few days of filming before Christmas. So I started off my morning routine as I normally do, feeding the dogs, I made myself a latte, and then spent some time journaling. It was hair wash day today. I've not washed my hair in so long. Here are the products that I used today. Then I started getting ready for filming, so just doing some skincare and some makeup. I've got a few hair tutorials that I want to film today. Thought I would switch up my makeup today. I went for a pink look, which I'm really vibing. Look how sparkly the lids are. Then here is a little behind the scenes of me filming. Please ignore the mess. I'm just a messy person when it comes to my studio. I actually tried hot rollers today for the first time. In between filming, I had some lunch, and then I also filmed a jewellery haul today. Lots of you asked for a try-on haul, so it's already up if you guys want to check it out. We had lots of Sophie Hannah hair orders, so I went to help Robin to take them to the post office, did some editing, meatballs and mash for dinner with Swedish gravy. Oh my God, it's so good, this meal. It's such a winter meal. Forgot to do advent calendars this morning, so did the dogs and then did mine. Here's my little goodies that I got. We walked the doggies and it was time for bed, and they're so cute.